your home, your style.
So I think I'm going to put my learning targets here. This might be science and social studies, or I could put science there, social studies on that side, and right in the middle. Hi kids. Hi kids. Hi kids. Get all of the giveaway piles stacked up closer to the door. And I put my bulletin boards together, my boards together. And this board is coming together. stuff in the hall. Into the hall. It's starting to come together. I made a lot more progress today. Got all this stuff out, which made a difference, even though I filled it up with more stuff, but so much better. This is where all the stuff is in the hall. It looks so much better. Thank you.
Wow.
Yolanda, do you like the room now? Much better? You get to walk around?
Not today, but she was at home.
Is she at home today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
that's the school bell, okay? It's okay. Okay. It's a new day. Out here another day. We're gonna try to get this carpet rolled out today and do something with those walls and behind the sink.
Mommy. Yes, Mom.
This is the Dollar Tree wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper, Main Street. And it's for $1.25. You can strip off the top part to align it and then take off the rest when you're ready to stick the rest on the wall. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the whole thing off. Okay, while the wall is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and line up my 100, yep, 120 number line so that I can put them on the wall. Okay. Okay, I got some wallpaper to put along this wall, and I'm just nervous if it's gonna stick to this cinder block wall. I don't think you can see through it either. I think it looks cute. Hopefully it stays stuck. So I bought 3 rolls. That took up about half of the bulletin board wall with this much left. So I'm gonna go ahead to my second roll. My second roll should fill up the rest of the top of the wall. Okay, that was exactly 2 rolls of wallpaper. Well, not exactly, I had a little bit left over on both rolls. I did buy 1 more, but I think I'm gonna stop there and just have the top of that in brick and maybe border that off. It'd be nice to do the bottom, but I don't have enough. Okay, so I think I'm gonna sit down and laminate some stuff. I have the laminator warming up. I have some voice level charts, hand signals. I ordered this welcome sign in the mail, and they all came with this crease. So I'll have to see if I can color it in with a Sharpie or something.